Yeah.
You gotta blow some bubbles.
Don't you look at that.
Well,
He'll
he
freeze
knows
up.
he's on the camera now.
Are you watching
What'd
football?
you do?
You know, you're talking about Carolina, how they're playing 8 men up.
What'd you do
See
with that
right there,
one?
that's an 8-man box. You have a safety up there, so you have a form of a 4-4.
Where are those shoes? I got to see you.
You're just daring the Giants.
Excuse me. That just came out. Sorry, Julie.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
I was trying to add a little.
He's a size 2.
I was trying to add a little to the mouth making, noise making symphony that's going on here.
You wanted to get in on it?
Well, that's
All
not
that Coca-Cola.
that's not just like Italian with aged Romano. It's gonna all be in that video.